What were you asking?
Oh, do you use the same size hoop for the youth?
Yeah, as long as it fits. Is that what you use?
That's what I use for these ones.
Yep. It's just like here. I don't know, it could be fine. Brittany, can you try this on? I'll make sure it's right.
I've got a picture.
I think it's right.
It'll match those.
Finishing up Delaware. Okay. Yeah, that should work. And then what'd you say? Team
The
hustle on it?
sleeve and the American flag.
Okay.
But the flag would be
On the right?
heat press,
Yep.
yeah. And then whatever we're gonna do for the team hustle, we'll do.
Okay, I'll do that. Finish that up.
I don't know what Brittany's gonna do after these. We got only 6
6 of
or
those.
5. 1, 5.
Okay. All of those getting ordered.
Yeah, they should come on Wednesday, hopefully.
What color hat is that one? That you're missing.
black
black
front.
black front. Alright, so what are we working on?
I'm working
What?
on
Another one.
I have 3 logos to create today.
Yeah. Did you guys have a team meeting?
Yeah. Every morning.
Every morning?
Every morning.
Alright, I'm gonna head to the other shop. So today it's about 9 a.m. right now. I'm driving out of town. It's about 2 hours away. We are gonna be, well, I am looking at a vehicle, a new vehicle for Amy. What is it, 3 years ago? 3 years ago. I don't know if any of you guys remember that vlog where I literally went to the Acura dealership. Went to test drove this Acura, I think TLX there, and we got the papers rolling and everything. The only thing she needed to do was sign, and she knew that I was going to get her a new vehicle. I think it was on her anniversary 3 years ago. I got her this vehicle. So now it's time for a change. 3 years later. We're looking to get something bigger and something four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, because we live in a place where we need that four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive in the wintertime. And so right now I'm going to look at a Suburban. It's a 2015, nothing brand new. A 2015 Chevy Suburban. We were going to get the Tahoe, but the Tahoe was still small. We have 2 boys that are both in sports. They're going to have their equipment for sports. They're going to have friends maybe ride along and all this stuff. So Amy wants a bigger vehicle. So this is a big vehicle, a Suburban. I wanted to speak also on building this business, you guys, this embroidery business. It hasn't been easy, but I'm not complaining. It's always never easy, and that's why I think there's some of us that are in business and some that aren't. We need both types of people in the world to make it go around. And so, you know, we've been building systems up trying to make this flow better and nicer and stuff, and we've made a few mistakes in our workflow, you know. And so we have like mistakes of ordering the wrong amount, putting a system in place where we verify our work, we know what we're ordering and who's ordering what and who's doing what, and everybody knows their role. And so, and we've made mistakes of sending the wrong size shirts, right? Or it wasn't much order. Good thing it wasn't too big of an order. It was like a few shirts or a few sweaters. The process now of doing things like that is now when one person gets an order in, we get an order, one person responsible for printing out the work order and verifying make sure everything's right that they're ordering. And then once they print the work order out, it goes to another person. Then the next person is the one that does the purchasing, ordering of hats or shirts, whatever it is that the customers request. And so and then that person orders it, and then when it comes in, we take inventory and check it and make sure everything's in that we needed, and what else, and make sure there's no defects on the clothing or anything that we've ordered. If there is, we send it back. Need to take action to correct it, to get new ones in that aren't defects, because we've had defects come in. And so, and then once that person orders it, the work order sheet goes to production and the material and stuff, and then whoever's doing the work verifies, makes sure it's the right quantity and right amount, right sizes again, and then they run them, and there's instructions and stuff on the work order, and so they run them, and then once they run them, they get it done. When they're about to package, they double check again the size, the amount, the quantity, and then they package and they sign the work order. Whoever does what signs the work order and verifies their work, and so hopefully nothing gets out that shouldn't be getting out on mistakes, because mistakes happen. But if we send it, like I said, we've had a few orders that we sent out. Well, we had that one mistake that we sent out the wrong size, or the customer emailed us saying that we sent out the wrong size. It looked fine, but it was the wrong size, and so we take care of it right away. We tell the customers they can keep the sweater or keep whatever it is that's wrong with it. Don't even send it back. Or we had to order 2 of shirts. That was a lot. The miscommunication between, it was our fault, but miscommunication between, there's supposed to be like a phone number on the shirt as well, so there was no phone number on the shirt. So our process of handling anything that's our mistakes is just keep the product, we'll send you new. We'll do new, we'll correct it, we'll send you new, free shipping, free everything. Because we want to make our service as good as Amazon and as convenient as Amazon. So we're working on that. We're trying to build that. And so, yeah, we make mistakes, guys. We're trying to get this flow going, and that's part of building the business. And so I'm excited. I think we got a great team. We got a great team, and we're going to keep building a team. And so, yeah. So that's what's happening on business. So we are dropping off the Acura car to the dealer. We actually leased this vehicle, so dropping it off early for the new car that we're gonna get. I'll show you guys. So we're just cleaning it out. I'm all the way up. Where are we at? Brooklyn Park?
Yep.
Brooklyn Park, you guys. I got my truck here as well. Not the same dealer, but same area. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got, what we're working with. So what we actually picked up. So we turned in the lease early. And what do they call this? A lease?
Lease grounding.
Lease grounding. So yeah. So we're just right next door to what is your guys? Nissan. What's the name?
Maury's Brooklyn Park Nissan.
Maury's Brooklyn Park Nissan. So dropping this off, and then we're gonna head back and get into the new ride. It's not this one though. Yeah. This is our first vehicle we leased. So, yeah guys, this is it. We're gone. Gone. Got a little ding on there on the bottom lip. Right there. So guys, I've been driving all day. Finding a vehicle, it's tough. It's tough. Finding the right one and the right price. This is Amy's 4th car, I think. I've had, I think, 10, 15 in my lifetime. So, but I'm taking it back home to Amy. Amy's at home at the shop working, and yeah, she trusts me to get what I show her the picture. She hasn't tested of it, but every vehicle that I've gotten for her, she likes it. So something's working. Alright, that's it, huh? Man, that's easier than buying the car. Or faster, I should say. Alright, guys. There it is, guys. 2015 GMC Denali. All shined up, cleaned up. That's what we got for Amy. Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna give you some keys.
Thanks, man. Appreciate.
You need me to explain the keys for you at all?
No, I'm good.
All right. You know how to work the remote start and stuff already. I'm gonna go grab the keys for the Maxima real quick, so you can grab your stuff.
All right. There it is, guys. Right there. All cleaned up, shined up. Amy's new ride. We actually bought this one. No more leasing it. So, what you guys think? Alright.
Yeah, the detailer was happy to see this come in because he likes working on the luxury cars.
Luxury cars? Looks good. Alright. So we gotta get all this stuff, guys, out. Throw it in the back. Might as well fold these down. Oops.